G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English. How's it going? Welcome to this episode. This is another slang episode where I'm going to be teaching you some Australian slang words or terms, things that you can use down under in Australia to sound a bit more Aussie and to put a smile on other Australians' faces, okay? So today's episode is about the phrase back a beyond, right? And we wouldn't say back of beyond, we would say back a beyond. Back a beyond. So I wonder if you guys understand what this means. If I were to say, yeah, I live out in the back of beyond, or he lives out in the middle of nowhere, right? The back of beyond. So the idea here is that you live away from the city, from suburbia, in the bush, in rural Australia, behind beyond, right? That's the idea here. You know, if something is beyond something, it's further away than something. And if something is the back of beyond, it's even further away than beyond is, right? A bit confusing there. But that's the basic idea. If you live in the back of beyond, it's a long way away from, say, civilization. The back of beyond. So have you guys been to the back of beyond in Australia? Have you been in the bush? Have you been in Central Australia, away from civilization? Down below in the comments, I would love to see you try and use the expression back of beyond. See if you can write a comment using it and I will check those out. And besides that, guys, don't forget that I release a second episode every single week in the premium podcast and academy membership for members only. So if you would like access to that, go up here or down here and you can join up. Anyway, I'm Pete. This is Aussie English. This has been another Aussie Slang episode. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.